Hey guys, Visible here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Gundam World Sangoku Soketsuden Zhang God Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is the last of the three initial release kits of the line. So yeah, so let's go into unboxing. So like I said, all the three Gundams, I felt New Gundam was like the most interesting one because, like I said, anyway, if you remember from that unboxing, I said that New Gundam, New Gundam strikes me out the most because he was my very first model kit I've ever built. But yeah, Zhang God Gundam, well, he's least interesting for me, but I like the God Gundam because it's just for fun, really. But yeah, that's an unboxing. So I don't think I've seen a build or what the contents of this box yet. So this is the most interesting in terms of what's inside the box. I've seen the Liu Bei and the Guan Yu kits from Gundam Base Tokyo channel, and they haven't shown us inside this kit yet. So this is gonna be the most interesting in terms of the unboxing. So yeah, it's in the box. On the side here, we have the oh god, why is all the dents? Why is going on with the dents of the box? Okay, anyways, so saying, basically you got the blurb about Zhang himself, and then you got the weapons, which is his, the staff, I guess, Da Bo, is that term? Yeah, if you guys don't know, I can speak Chinese, but in a limited fashion. Yeah, and then the like I said, on parts you can combine his parts with Liu Bei's weapon, so you make one super weapon. And on the side, nothing much. Again, the same as the other kits, 600 yen. What's in the box and it's inside. Alright, what's in the box? First pack, you got stickers. Yes, this out of all the three kits that I have in the line, Zhang has the most stickers. So not as great, but it's still good. There's not enough stickers. So yeah, let's put it that way. I got the B plate, which is the white parts, and then the C plate, which is the gold parts. Yeah. You got the A plate, which is the universal joints for the Sangoku Soketsuden kits in line, and then you got the what plate is this? The H plate, which is the clear parts. Not sure if it'll go on the back line. Okay, I'll let you guys know. Like this, yeah, it's like that. In the last part, you got the oh, is that? Is it? Oh, okay, that's interesting. I didn't know these are plastic pieces. All right, yeah, you got the black parts, the blue parts, and then the red parts. So yeah, right, let's go on to the manual. Yep, again, the information about Zhang himself, you can possibly if you want. You done? Good. All right. So, oh, that is really interesting. This is something that well, I mean, this is something new, and I've never seen this one before. Yeah, again, you can pause and read the information about the kit, about the information, the series itself. In the back, you've got the shots of the kit itself, and then the inside, the stuff, the assembly guide. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the Zhang God Gundam. This is really again an interesting kit. Though I'm not too sure. I'll try to get building if I can, but not immediately. But I'll see if I can make a review possibly next week. But yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for my videos. Peace out.